Hello students, I Harshila Date, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In this video, I am going to explain you the concept of Kerberos. Kerberos concept is in Unit 5 of Network and Information Security subject. This is the elective subject. These are the contents of the video, the concept of Kerberos, TGT and ST, working diagram, steps for client authentication, steps for service request, steps involved in Kerberos authentication, and advantages. What is Kerberos? It is an authentication system used for the client and server environment. It is a protocol. It is developed as a part of the MIT's Project Antenna. Kerberos built around the idea of trusted third party known as KDC, Key Distribution Center. To understand the Kerberos, let's take example of the driving license. If any user want driving license, then he or she will go to the RTO office and provide some information about him or herself. After verifying all the information, RTO office gives the driving license. Whenever he or she is caught by the any traffic police, they show their driving license to the traffic police. Traffic police believes on the driving license because there is something government logo on the driving license. So traffic police is the one entity and user is the another entity. Both entities are trust on the third party, that is a government. The same concept is applied on in a Kerberos. Both the client and server trust on this third party trustee, that is KDC, Key Distribution Center. KDC consists of logically two separate parts: authentication server AS and another is TGS, that is ticket granting server. To use the server or services on the server, client must have two tickets. These tickets are nothing but the TGT and the ST. TGT is the ticket granting ticket and ST is the service ticket, or it can be also known as a client server ticket. As I told you, the KDC has two parts: AS authentication server and ticket granting server. The first ticket, that is TGT ticket granting ticket, is given by the authentication server, and another service ticket is given by the ticket granting server. This is a working diagram of the Kerberos. As I told you, client must have two tickets. First, TGT, which is received from the AS, and second is the ST, that is which is received from the KDC. We will explain this diagram in the next slide, step by step. As you can see, the client must have performed 3 steps to get the TGT, and client must have performed 4 steps to get the service from the server. So this is the first steps for client authentication. Through this, client is getting the first ticket, that is ticket granting ticket. Let's see the steps. Step number 1, first client requests the authentication server on behalf of user. Authentication server then checks the database whether client is present or not. If the client is present in the database, then authentication server sends the ticket granting ticket to the client. Next, client decrypt that ticket granting ticket and get the session key. After getting the ticket granting ticket from the authentication server, client goes to the another KDC, that is ticket granting server, and performing the steps. First step is using TGT client request for the service from the ticket granting server. Next, second step is the client gets the service ticket from the ticket granting server. Then client submit that service ticket to the server as well as the request, that which service client wants from the server. Server checks the service ticket. If client shows the service ticket to the server, then server only gives the services to the client. If you refer the diagram on previous slides, you will clearly get idea that client must receive first TGT, that is ticket granting ticket, and after showing the ticket granting ticket, client gets the service ticket. and after showing the service ticket to the server, then only server give the services to the client. So for client server communication, client must get first TGT and then get another ticket, that is service ticket, to be shown to the server. After authentication of the service ticket, the server give the services. These are the broad steps involved in Kerberos authentication. First, user presents the credential and requests the ticket from the KDS, that is Key Distribution Center. Then, KDS verifies the credentials and issue TGT. Third step, user presents the TGT and requests for the service to the KDS. This is another KDS, that is nothing but a ticket granting server. The KDS verifies the authentication or authorization and issue the client to server ticket. The client server ticket is also known as a service ticket. After getting the service ticket, next step number 5, the user presents this service ticket as well as the request of the service to the service provider. This is nothing but the server. And after getting the service ticket from the client, step number 6, if the service ticket or client or server ticket is a valid, then service is granted to the client. The advantage of this protocol is that every ticket, whether it is ST or TGT, both tickets are timestamped, so no one can reuse their tickets. Thank you. I hope you will get the knowledge or get the concept of the Kerberos through this video. Thank you, students.